Alright, good afternoon, Twitter. This is Andrew Griffiths here, coming in for a weather update. It's currently 3:27 p.m. Central Standard Time. There is currently a large boundary over Central Illinois. I'll pan so you can see it. It's kind of noticeable here. It's more noticeable in the Davenport radar. Um, but moving into our window screen, this is where most of our stuff's gonna happen for today. So currently, there is a slight risk of severe weather over central Illinois with a wind and hail threat. I do think there's a tornado threat too. I would have personally issued a 2% kind of in here. There's definitely a threat for a tornado or two here. Um, but it's a lower end risk. Currently looking at our significant tornado parameter, we can see right here we have a maxima of tornado potential today. Alongside that, there is an area of higher 3 Cape as well, and there is a low pressure type deal right here in Iowa. This is going to help power a brief tornado risk for areas generally in here, also helping initiate storms toward 5 to 6 p.m. Now, of course, the HRRR will not be perfect, but let's see what it has. So, right around 6 p.m., explosive storm development is what the HRRR shows. If we take a box sounding along the 155 corridor, you can see we have a photograph that is favorable for tornado production. Note that this will not be as mixed. It'll probably be 91/77, which will be a more favorable profile. We have a photograph favorable for tornado production, albeit the surface winds aren't the most strong, but since we have that boundary west to east, we could get something. Rather extreme instability profiles, probably going to have 4,000 mixed layer cape, and we can just see that thing kind of move southeastward. It'll probably turn into a bow echo and move southeastward throughout the day. There's going to be potential for a tornado or two, large hail, and significant wind gusts upwards of 80 mile per hour with that thing. Current look at satellite. Here's the area that I'm watching the most closely right now, right in here, for some storms to pop up, which may happen sooner rather than later. Looking at the surface data, you can see there's a rather clear boundary as well, with surface winds rather favorable for a potential tornado in here. Not the most favorable environment ever, but again, there definitely could be a tornado. Looking at the 3 kilometer storm relativity, again, we have that maxima that's over Peoria County, Woodford County, McLean County, Pontiac County, or Livingston County, up into Marshall and the Wyoming area. So something to just watch out for. We can see the effective SRH is higher as well over the Peoria metro. Storms will likely fire by 6 p.m. And stay weather aware today as brief tornado, damaging winds, and large hail will be possible.